Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I look at a bit of footage with the Osmo Nano at the driving range. Here's a nice slow-mo with the driver. See, it picks up everything really nicely. Also kept on the slow-mo with this next one. I think it was a mid-iron, about a 5-iron. Just putting the camera right down next to the ball, not too far from it. And as you can see, it looks really good. I've also included a couple shots with the Nano mounted to my hat. If you follow golf, you also notice that it picks up the sound really nicely of the contact between club and ball, which I find quite pleasing. This was my favorite club to test. The driver really sounded good off the club face, so I'll let you enjoy that. I thought I'd end off with another slow-mo. This was like in the thumbnail. You saw that the Nano magnetically connects to or clings to the putter head, and then you can get shots like this. And it was really cool. I just need to find some better greens to hit some putts on, and yeah, looks great. Let me know what you think.